everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you another great garlic bread recipe, but this one is a bit different. This one is a keto diet garlic bread recipe and it's loaded with cheese. It's not only a keto diet friendly one, this one is low in carb and it doesn't have any flour in it, so it's completely safe for anyone who is gluten intolerant. Now let's get into the recipe. First thing first, the ingredients. I have 1 cup of Parmesan cheese here. Next, I have half a cup of shredded mozzarella and shredded cheddar cheese. Now you can go for just mozzarella if you prefer, it will be a cup. For binding, we have 1 egg. For seasoning, I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and some oregano. That's it for the ingredients. Let's preheat our oven to 176 degrees, which is 350. Now we need a bowl. It's a 1 bowl mixing, and I love this kind of recipes. It's super simple. All you gotta do is put everything in a bowl and then mix it. So first I'm putting all 3 different varieties of cheese. Now Parmesan will give it a lot of saltiness and so will the cheddar. So there won't be any use of salt in this recipe. Believe me, it's still gonna be salty. What I like to do is give it a stir. Once all the cheese are in, I just like to mix it in and then I put the rest of the ingredients. Okay, now I'm gonna put some seasoning and because this is a garlic bread, obviously we need some garlic and oregano for flavor. So these were my seasoning. Again, a good mix. And now I'm gonna crack 1 egg. So for this recipe, egg will be a binder. It might seem to you that 1 egg is not good enough and it might seem to you very dry, but believe me, it's good enough. Okay, so everything is mixed in, and after that, it looks something like this, very dry and doesn't look very appealing. So parchment paper on baking tray, and now you want to put everything on your tray. So the dry mixture just goes in. There's a lot of cheese in this recipe, but this is mainly a keto diet friendly cheesy garlic bread. Okay, first I like to use a fork to make a shape. Now you can go for round, square, heart shape, anything you desire, but I like to do it bit square. So for that, I use a fork first to layer it and make it as thin or thick I like. Then I switch to a spatula, which really helps to do the job properly. Finally, I make the sides square, and again, spatula is really helpful for that. Once everything is done, it should go in the oven, which is preheated. It takes 15 minutes, but after 15 minutes of baking, you want to switch it off and leave it there for another 5 minutes or something around that time. And my cheesy garlic bread is all done. I'm doing some breadsticks style of sizes, but you can go for any shape of your choice. There is a lot of cheese here, and it might seem that it won't hold the shape, or when you serve it, it might just not be right. But believe me, it can hold shape and it's very tasty. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you are interested in more keto diet friendly recipes, then please have a look on my channel. And I also have a website, www.bublisworldcuisine.com, and the printable version for this recipe will be posted there. And finally, if you like this recipe, I would really like to encourage you to click the thumbs up button. That will encourage me to do more recipes like this, and it will also help my channel to grow. Thank you, everyone. Bye.